You might think your tree had an infection if you've seen clumps of thin, stringy growths on its branches. What looks like fungus is actually ball moss. Ball moss is not a fungus, nor is it moss, but an epiphyte, a plant that lives on other plants. Ball moss isn't parasitic, so it's not immediately harmful to the tree it grows on. While a small amount of ball moss is harmless, it can choke out branches and trees if they grow enough to cover the tree's exterior canopy. In this video, we'll show you how to identify ball moss, control ball moss on your property, and prevent it from growing back. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first step in any pest control plan is to identify the problem. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, which can cost time and money. Ball moss grows as round rosette plant clumps. They lack real roots and instead have pseudo roots that cling to the branches they grow on. These clumps can be as large as a soccer ball. The leaves are long, thin, and narrow with a gray-green color. When it flowers, the flowers are blue or purple, 1/3 of an inch in diameter, and they have 3 petals. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Ball moss can be found growing throughout the southern United States. It can grow on many trees and shrubs, but you can especially find them growing on live oak trees. It's also possible to find them growing on utility lines, fences, and other non-living structures. Ball moss grows well in areas with low light, little airflow, and high humidity. A plant matures after 3 years and produces flowers and seeds for 6 to 7 years. Mature ball moss will bloom from April to fall. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of ball moss on your property, you'll need to apply a product like Liqui-Cop. Liqui-Cop is a copper-based liquid concentrate used to control mostly fungi and disease, but it is also labeled to control ball moss in live oak trees. For the best results, we recommend you make your application between February and March. To reach tree canopies, we recommend you make your application with the Solutions Hose End Sprayer. To treat ball moss with Liqui-Cop, mix and apply the labeled rate of 2 fluid ounces of product into 1 gallon of water. You'll apply 1.5 gallons of solution for every foot of tree height. With the Solutions Hose End Sprayer, add the required amount of concentrate with a small amount of water. The concentrate will mix with water from your hose as it is applied. Spray the entire tree thoroughly, wetting the upper and lower surfaces of foliage, including any ball moss. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. Avoid spraying sites where ornamental plants are growing beneath trees, and avoid spraying near metal or masonry surfaces such as galvanized roofing. Prevention is essential to keeping lawn diseases in check. Even after applying fungicides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. The best way to prevent ball moss on your property is to reduce shade and control moisture on your lawn. Trim away overgrown shrubbery and tree branches and water your trees using tree watering bags. Wrap 1 or 2 bags around your tree's trunk and fill them with the desired amount of water. Finally, be sure to make a reapplication of Liqui-Cop 12 months after the initial treatment. Do not apply more than 75.1 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 square feet per year. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop ball moss from overtaking your trees, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.